check this out, guys. We're gonna go ahead, finally we got some parts, so we're gonna go ahead and rebuild the Max. It's gonna be part number TXMS 1200 RS/BK, and then we're gonna grab one TXMS 1200 01S-BK. We already have a diff case. You'll be able to find these on my website as well. That's part number TXMS 011N-BK. I've only got a few of these. We've got a small selection of parts. We do have these white axles. Comes with the 17mm hex, even though we do have our own. This is a whole kit. Comes with the CVDs, all that. That's what's on this truck. So really, we munched a gear. So we're going to go ahead and replace that with this right here. So we got our pinion. See, check this out. There is the Traxxas one. Good Lord, it's pretty gnarled up. And then we're going to go ahead and replace the spider gears. And yeah. So we finally got it back together, and we're going to go ahead, get it out there on the baseball field, see how she does. Guys, we got all the best parts on here. We got the Hobby Wing Max 8 stock motor, GPM motor mount, Pnwrcmadness battery tray HD with Kevlar straps. We're running the Proline tires, guys. Not for long. I got a surprise coming up pretty soon. Stay tuned for that. All right, we got a brand new body. Running the Proline Badlands currently. 6S. Whew. This truck is fast on 6S, guys. Looks like they just mowed the grass. Woohoo! Oh yeah, brand new diff fluid in the rear. We put 30K in the rear. Truck is fast. Whoa, that was a big old puddle down there, guys. Whew. Oh guys, I think we got blow tire. Let's check it out. Oh. Oh, nope. You've only got a 5,000 milliamp battery though. We got all the upgrade parts on there. We got the wide kit on there. Yeah, I didn't show you that, guys. We got the GPM axles on there. Let's see here. Let's see if we can jump any part of this fence. Uh-oh. Guys, the Maxx is just too fast. Whew. Whew. Uh-oh. She did. Just like that. Okay, guys, we made it out here for round number 2. Since our battery is only 5,000 milliamp, well, we just made it a 2-day video. So one thing I wanted to show you, I didn't show you guys yesterday, was, well, these hubs right here. We have these. They also come with the hex, but they come with the GPM hex because they come in a kit. It's the plus 6.5 millimeters. Currently, guys, we are running these Proline Badlands. These are the 3.8. They are actually the latest model, I believe, that they make. Not a bad tire, but stick around, guys. I do have a surprise for you coming up pretty soon. I don't carry these, and I won't be carrying these, but stick around. New tire coming soon. Round 2. Try not to blow the tires up. Whew. Already dead. Okay. It just came unplugged, guys. I feel like something's not doing good, so we're just going to go ahead and go for it before it breaks. It's still too small of a truck. Okay, here we go. We're gonna get it. Even though it's a small truck, you watch this, guys. Here we go. Oh, we made it. Oh, okay, here it goes again, guys. Oh, that's terrible. We're gonna break the chassis. All right, here we go. Alright, guys, this is a really big jump for this little truck, but here we go. Oh, not supposed to be out there. See, with the XRT I could just send it and not look at it, but this one is pulling to the left, so we gotta stand up here. This is probably about it for the battery too, I bet. Oh, we almost greased it. Oh man, I think we blew out the tire. Oh, we did. Let's try one more time. One more time, no body. There we go. One more time, no body. Here it comes, guys.